Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. Today we are gonna study about how to add image in Odoo 19 and what exactly the image field is in Odoo 19. So here currently in our library management module, let's say we want to add an image showing the book right here. Similar to here, I have duplicated a tab of products in purchase module. Here you can see image. When we open any of the product, you can see a image is shown on the right side of the form view. So in order to do that in our library management module, all we need to do is add a field name image. Let's go into the code. Here in our library book model, simply I'll just add a field name as image is equals to fields dot its data type must be image, and I'll just add string is equals to image. Now I'll simply put this image field in the view as well, and I will put it here right under the sheets, right? Restarting the server, go to the apps, upgrade our module, go to the library management. See, you can see there is a button. By default Odoo gives, and when we click we can select the image, right? So here there is one thing you can see here. When we click on new, it's coming like this, not like a button that we have here. Instead it is coming like an square tag. So in order to do that, we need to simply add here, we can add widget is equals to image. Restart the server, go to the apps, upgrade our module, library management. See, now you can see there is a similar type of image uploading as per the product image, but still you can see image is set on the right side of the form. But currently here we have a big image uploading field on the same side. In order to shift it to the right side, like in here, all we need to do is add a class. Here simply add class is equals to OE avatar. That's it pretty much. Restarting the server, go to the apps, upgrade our module, go to library management. See, now you can see it is coming on the right side and with proper ratio of the uploading field. If you want to set it upside, you can simply make this field above the h1 tag or the book reference tag, and simply I'll just restart it again, go to the apps, upgrade our module, library management. See, now it's coming same as it. Now if we select any book image, see, now you can see as well image. So this is how we add image in the Odoo 19. Let me summarize it for you. All we need to do to add the image, simply create a field with a data type of image and make show that field in the view of the form. And in order to have the same ratio and the same type of image uploading as per the Odoo, we simply need to add widget as well as class. Widget must be image and class must be OE avatar. I hope today's topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.